Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and today we are unboxing the Realme Buds Air Neo. So before getting to the video, if you could leave a like and subscribe to the channel, it would be highly appreciated. So a few days ago there was an event of Realme and where they showed off their new Realme Buds Air Neo, the TV and the smartwatch and the new power bank too. So the only thing that was available to order was the Realme Buds Air Neo and the power bank too, and those were available on the realme.com and the Flipkart. I was really excited to check it out, so I went ahead and placed the order, and here it is. Here is the box from Flipkart. So here is the shipping packet from Flipkart, and as you can see, this is not very interesting to see, so let's just quickly unbox this. So here we have our retail packagings of the Buds Air Neo and the power bank 2, and in today's video we are going to unbox the Buds Air Neo only. So the power bank 2 is going for the next video, so let's put this aside. So here is the box itself, and first thing we need to do is take off this plastic sheet, please. Now it's good. So as you can see here, it says Buds Air Neo, Realme, and image of the earphones itself, how it is supposed to look. But on the side you can see it says Realme on both of the sides. But coming to the back of the box, we have some features of these earphones, like it has the super low latency, which means it should be optimum for gaming, and with R1 chip, which is really powerful. Next we have the dynamic bass boost driver, which is 13mm by the way, and it's quite large for the earphones like this. Other than that, we have open up auto connection and Google fast pairing, which means the earphones will connect swiftly to your smartphone. We also get Bluetooth 5.0 with AAC encoding, which is pretty common in Apple devices. And we can also see it has smart touch controls, intelligent voice assistant. That means we have touch input on the earphones. And last but not the least, we have 17 hours of playback of the battery backup, which is quite awesome. So all these things are needed to be tested, and that's why this channel exists. But other than that, we can only see the MRP of the device, which I'm totally going to skip. They just write it too much. But I'm really excited, so let's just quickly open this up. Why are we not doing it? So we all remember Sonpuri, right? So let's do this. It worked. You can leave a like on this video. You know, that's why I did it. But here is our earphone, and as you can see, they are sitting nicely in the package. So let's take them out. So let's take off this plastic sheet. So here we have the earphones. Look exactly like the Apple AirPods and the Realme Buds Air, but I can feel plastic is a little different than the Buds Air. It's a little cheaper. But anyways, we have the earphones itself. We also have the same exact button on the front, but the change here we get is the micro USB port on the bottom, and there is no wireless charging on this. So that's how they cut the cost of these earphones. But I'm going to post a review on these earphones in few days on the channel, so we have whole video to admire this. So let's put this aside and see what else do we have in the box. That's it. And that's what I call formality. Now we don't need this, I guess. But here we get the tiny micro USB cable for charging these earphones, which is good. So that's included. And we get another user manual. So that's that. We don't need this, I guess. But that was today's video. Now I'm off to checking out this thoroughly and testing this out thoroughly, so I can give you my full review on the channel. So if I somehow skip anything about these earphones, please let me know. But you guys want to know about these earphones, so I can give you my full review on these earphones. And by the way, we are also going to compare it with the Buds Air. But that's been it, guys. That was today's video. Hit the like button if you like this video, and share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.